All right, super fast video on how to find and fix a broken sprinkler line. So I got a zone over here with extremely low water pressure. Low water pressure is a quick sign that you got a broken line underground. First thing you're gonna do, go to your valve box. Make sure everything in your valve box is looking good. I don't have any leaks in there. So if the problem was upstream from the valve box, it'd be affecting all zones, but since it's only affecting this one zone, I know that the problem is downstream from this valve. So we got to go find it out in the yard. Easiest way to do that, turn on the zone, let it run for 20 minutes or so, and then look for the swamp coming up in your yard. It'll show its ugly face. Let's go take a look, see if we can find it. I've got a pretty good idea that this zone obviously starts at the valve box, runs straight across the yard to that head, and then runs down along the back side of the yard. So I'm just gonna walk along that line and see if I can find water spewing out. Let's go take a look. If you like this content, help me out with the Google algorithm. Make sure to hit the like and the subscribe. Okay, I didn't see anything in my walk over here. I'm pretty sure that line runs all the way under these bushes. That was an old head on this line. Goes to that corner. He's barely spraying right now, but look at that. I've got muddy, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, I got water spewing up right there. So guaranteed I got a break pretty much under this bush. Once you find water spewing up, you know where your line is, time to start digging. All right, we got our sprinkler line all exposed, and as to be expected, there's a big root right under the sprinkler line. It's pushed it up and created a kink. I can't get the camera angle on it, but I can see there's a crack right there, and that's our broken sprinkler line. So we're actually just gonna cut this root out, because if I just replace the sprinkler line and lay it back on top, I'll probably be doing this again in a couple years. So we're just gonna cut the root out and patch the sprinkler line. Okay, what's that?
Now pull it out.
Don't touch it yet, we gotta cut the sprinkler line.
Daddy, cut it.
And there you go. Sprinkler line's all patched and up and running. Just time to fill in the dirt and turn it on.